Well folks, it looks like we won't be doing any chicken diaries or garden updates or anything like that for a couple of days. It is a little on the wet side at the moment. Kevin, thankfully, is not in the puddles. Don't get any ideas, okay? No. You know, you got perfectly good water elsewhere. That's a weird thing about dogs. They have dog bowls everywhere, but they'll just go straight to a puddle. Anyway, there in the distance you can see the apple tree flowering. Got peaches over there. Chicken pens down there. There's our tomatoes growing in the distance there. Well, it sucks it's raining, but you know, we need rain. We don't need mud. We got plenty of mud. Look at the destructive force of dog pee. That's all dog pee. All there. They pee, it dies. Anyway, we put these chairs here to stop the dogs from digging a hole there. Well, now it's a swimming pool. In a couple of months, when the sun shifts position, all this is going to be grass again. Well, they say it could be 50 to 100 mils today. We've had about 9 at the moment, so we'll see how it pans out. Anyway, as I was saying about Kevin and drinking, he's got through and he's having a drink. Hey! Well, I guess he's just gonna drink anyway. We'll be back.